Journey to the Golden Heights. The story of Ramjadi Buddhist Temple. In the heart of Bandarban, where the sky kisses the hills and the air hums with the whispers of ancient wisdom, lies a temple of profound tranquility and immense beauty, the Ramjadi Buddhist Temple. It is not merely a structure of gold and stone. It is a beacon of peace and spiritual enlightenment that calls to the soul of every traveler who dares to venture into the hills of Bangladesh. The story of Ramjadi begins with the vision of a single monk, a dream that would transcend time and space. In the early 2000s, the revered monk Upaya Joto Mahathero stood at the peak of the hills, his gaze sweeping across the endless horizon. He saw not only the beauty of the landscape, but felt a deep calling to create a sanctuary, a place where people could come to find peace amidst the chaos of the world. His dream was not to build just a temple, but a bridge between the physical world and the spiritual realm, a home where hearts and minds could connect to something greater. So in 2005, construction began on the Ramjadi temple, a grand structure that would take 7 years to complete. By 2012, after years of tireless effort, the golden gates of Ramjadi were finally opened. At first glance, the temple appears like a radiant jewel in the midst of nature's vast canvas. Inside, the temple is a sanctuary of serenity, housing more than 100 intricate Buddha statues, each crafted with a deep reverence for Buddhist teachings. But it is the view from the temple that truly takes your breath away. From its perch 1,500 feet above sea level, Ramjadi offers an awe-inspiring panoramic view of Bandarban's mist-covered mountains and sprawling green valleys, where nature seems to pause in its majestic beauty. The peaceful surroundings amplify the temple's energy, making it an ideal place for reflection, meditation, and spiritual awakening. Ramjadi Buddhist Temple is more than just a place. It's a journey, an invitation to explore the quiet depths of the soul, to embrace the stillness of nature, and to find a glimpse of heaven in the hills of Bandarban. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you're excited about what's coming next, leave a like and share with your friends. Thanks for being a part of this journey. See you in the next video.